How to make people respect you in seconds. Now, you might be wondering, is it really possible to gain respect in just a matter of 3 seconds? Well, the short answer is yes, absolutely. But the long answer, well, that's where the magic lies. You see, it's not about a quick fix or a magic trick. It's about understanding the psychology behind respect and leveraging it in your interactions. Think about it. When you meet someone for the first time, what's the first thing you notice? It's not their words or their achievements. It's their presence, their demeanor, their vibe. And guess what? You have complete control over that. Now, let's get into the nitty-gritty. What specific actions or behaviors can you employ to command respect quickly? Here's where the magic happens, folks. First and foremost, it's all about confidence. Confidence is like a magnet. It draws people in, it commands attention, it demands respect. So straighten those shoulders, look people in the eye, and own your space. Next up, authenticity. People can smell a fake person from a mile away. So be genuine, be real, be yourself. Embrace your quirks, your flaws, your uniqueness. That's what sets you apart. That's what makes you memorable. You might be wondering, will these strategies work in various social and professional situations? Absolutely. Respect knows no bounds, my friends. Whether you're at a networking event, a job interview, or a family gathering, these principles hold true. The key is to adapt, to read the room, to tailor your approach to the situation at hand. But remember, the core principles remain the same: confidence, authenticity, and respect. Now let's address the elephant in the room. Do these techniques involve manipulation or dishonesty? Absolutely not. In fact, quite the opposite. Respect is earned, not bought. It's about building genuine connections, fostering trust, and nurturing relationships. Sure, you can use flashy tricks or slick gimmicks to impress people temporarily. But true respect, that comes from the heart. It comes from being a person of integrity, of character, of substance. Now we're getting to the juicy stuff. How can you ensure that you maintain genuine respect rather than just a facade of respect? It all boils down to consistency, my brethren. Anyone can put on a show for a few seconds, but true respect is built over time. It's about walking the talk, practicing what you preach, and staying true to your values, day in and day out. So ask yourself, are you willing to put in the work? Are you willing to be the kind of person that others look up to? Not just in the moment, but for a lifetime. Now, let's address the potential risks and drawbacks. Are there any? Well, it wouldn't be a complete picture without discussing the flip side, would it? Here's the thing. Anytime you put yourself out there, anytime you strive for greatness, there's bound to be resistance. Not everyone will respond positively to your efforts. Some may even try to tear you down. But here's the kicker. It's not about avoiding obstacles. It's about overcoming them. It's about turning setbacks into comebacks, challenges into opportunities, haters into motivators. Now, you might be thinking, how can I adapt these methods to suit my own personality and style? I'm glad you asked, because here's the beauty of it. You don't have to change who you are. You see, respect isn't one size fits all. What works for me might not work for you, and that's perfectly okay. The key is to take these principles and make them your own. So whether you're introverted or extroverted, laid back or high energy, there's a path to respect that's uniquely yours. Embrace it, own it, and watch as the world responds. Now, let's address a common concern. What if someone doesn't respond positively to these approaches? It's a valid question, and one that deserves a thoughtful answer. Here's the truth. Not everyone will vibe with you, and that's okay. Respect isn't about winning over every single person. It's about being true to yourself and attracting those who resonate with your vibe. So if someone doesn't respond positively, don't sweat it. Focus on the people who lift you up, who support you, who genuinely respect you for who you are, because those are the relationships that truly matter. Cultural differences. Now there's a fascinating topic. How do they play into gaining respect quickly? Let's explore, shall we? Here's the thing. Respect means different things in different cultures. What's considered respectful in one culture might be seen as disrespectful in another. So it's crucial to educate yourself, to be mindful of cultural norms and customs, and to approach each interaction with sensitivity and respect. Last but certainly not least, let's address the elephant in the room. Can these techniques be used ethically and responsibly? Absolutely. Respect isn't about manipulation or deception. It's about building genuine connections, fostering trust, and lifting others up. So as long as you approach these techniques with honesty, empathy, and respect, you're on the right track. Remember, my brethren, respect is a two-way street. If you want to receive it, you've got to give it. So let's go out there and make the world a more respectful place, one interaction at a time. I hope you found this video helpful and inspiring. Remember, you have the power to command respect in every moment. Till next time, stay amen.